Hi, thanks for the opportunity to tell you about this project. We have lived in this area of Thailand now for 17 years. Over that time we have built a few villas to live in and as a hobby, which has been a lot of fun. We have enjoyed the lifestyle and have been lucky to have enjoyed lovely garden areas, all with a great pool. However, as we get older with some health issues, climbing stairs is not so easy, and frankly we are over-organizing the pool and garden maintenance ourselves. However, we have stayed in this Chateau condo development, in the ThaBali CONDO section on many occasions during the construction stage of our villas. For us, you really can't beat this location, pleasant surroundings, the feeling of being secure, with nice property staff and the other occupants we see occasionally. So we know this property very well. So when the time came and we just craved a comfortable base here without all the responsibility of a home, this was where we thought we should look, to spend a few months here and the next few months back in our countries. This great project was the only real choice. So that is why we took on this project. We found the shell of a nice ground floor condo. It had left as a job started but never completed, just sitting here empty for 6 years with no floor, walls, ceiling, just an empty shell. However, this is the way we like to buy, a blank canvas. We employed our very experienced team of tradespeople we have used for years to complete this unit, with new floors, walls, ceilings, wiring, plumbing, a new bathroom, and a great kitchen we feel anyone would be thrilled with. My background is furnishings, and so we completed the project with some nice things from our special and dear friends in furniture factories in Chiang Mai. New rug, lamps and paintings. I think we now have a lovely base for anyone that likes nice things. It's sad to be in the situation we are at, that we need to sell up. This is an easy place to live, just meters from your car park straight into the unit, with no stairs. Just through the veranda gate, and down the path 15 meters to the garden and lovely pools and sun decks, salas and spa. Hope you will enjoy looking around. If you're a person who is looking for that perfect place in such a great location, please make contact and we can have a chat. I want to personally explain the condo is registered in a company name. A company set up solely for the setup of this condo. I know some people find it hard to get their heads around this concept, but truly is all pretty simple and has some great advantages too, and the cost in our case is only about Thai baht 12,000 a year for the accounting and balance sheet, keeping this all up to date, and the lawyer, accountant we have used for many years, can continue. In fact, as a bonus we will prepay the costs for this work to be completed for 3 years ahead. Hope this will make it easier to get to understand the process. Thanks.